How to download any movie or any software, any game for free from internet using torrent. We see it step by step. Firstly, go to Chrome browser. Then go to the website 1337xx.to. This is website which has all the trending movies, television, games, music, application, documentaries, and other. So here are the trending torrents right now. So here are a lot of trending torrents. These are the Hindi movies, Haseen, Dilruba, then uh, Till Death. There are so we see by downloading it, how to download it. So if you want to download this, where or it's within, so simply click on it. After clicking it, this window will come appear. Then go to magnet download. For this, how for this for to download this, you must have an application called a uTorrent. This is how application looks. I will give link in description to download this application uTorrent. So click on magnet download. So after click on magnet download, it will say open uTorrent. Then click on open uTorrent. Then you see okay.